Hi guys, welcome back to Sister Travel. As you can see, I'm alone right now, and that's because my sister's at work, and today I'm gonna be prepping Thanksgiving dinner because it is Wednesday, November 27th. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and while everybody's gone, I'm gonna be just doing some meals right now. The first thing that I'm gonna make is gonna be stovetop yams, candied yams. That is my favorite thing to eat at Thanksgiving because that is like this. It's really sweet. I love sweets, and it's so good. And I used to eat them so much when I was little. And I'm gonna make them again, but I'm gonna make them fresh. We used to make them from the can, and like, you know, that's good and all, but I'm gonna make mine fresh this time. It's all about the freshness now. All right, so the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna chop up your yams. Okay. So, first you need your yams. Okay guys, I totally said it wrong. First we're gonna peel our potatoes. We're not gonna cut them first. We're gonna peel them and then cut them. Oh my goodness. This is a bad sweet potato.
Look the same. Oh, thank you.
It's rotting.
Aunt Sarah, we're watching Lady while we're gone.
I just cut it the top off because I thought that was like, you know, the bad part. Hold on. Let's see. Let's examine. I'm interested now.
Well, Jim's sister, she was insistent that.
Oh yeah, this is a bad one. This is a really bad one. I've never seen a sweet potato like this before.
If it bothered anyone else, believe me, we would have.
Look at that, guys.
Thanks again. Yeah.
You guys see that?
Bye.
Goodbye, lady.
You be a good girl.
It's like when you squeeze it, it's like soft. It's almost like it's being hollowed out. Sorry, this video just turned really gross now. Look at the inside of it.
Hello.
And once again, when you squeeze it, it feels like it's being hollowed out. Alright, well, let's throw this one away. This one's bad. No, Lolly, you can't have it. It's a bad one, Lolly. This one feels kind of soft too, so I'm kind of nervous about this one. I'm gonna peel it first. I should have known something was wrong with that one because it was like a weird color. Sorry, hold on, this TV's so loud. But I should have known that there's something wrong with that one because that one, it didn't look like it was the same color as the rest. Alright, so I just gave these a rinse. Now I'm gonna cut them up. I'm not. Alright, the yams are in a pot on the stove. They're all cut up. Now I'm going to show you the ingredients for the candied mixture. Alright, this is brown sugar. I did not measure this. I just poured it in there because I don't really know how much I'm going to be using. I'm probably going to use more than this. I'm going to use pumpkin spice because a lot of people use like cloves or ginger or nutmeg or something like that. But pumpkin spice has all those ingredients in it, and it only costs $1. So you're basically getting all of those just for $1. You don't even have to buy them separately. It's all in one container. Alright, I've just put my pan on medium heat and I'm going to add the butter. And then I'm going to add the brown sugar. It's going to be smelling really good in here in just a few moments. Alright, next I'm going to add in the pumpkin spice. Now it's gonna be smelling really good. And now I'm gonna add my vanilla extract. And then I'm gonna add my granulated sugar. I'm just gonna add it in, not all at once, but just little bit by little bit. I probably need more butter. I'm gonna add another ingredient that's like totally optional, but I want to try it because I know that when you make sweet potato pie, you put like a juice in it, like orange juice or like lemon juice or something. I want to add a little bit, just a little bit of pineapple juice. Just a little bit. I'm gonna see how it's gonna make the yams taste. All right, I'm gonna add my candied mixture to the yams. All right, so I made some more sauce. I'm gonna let the yams cook. I'm gonna cover the pot. Before that, I'm gonna cover them with brown sugar before I do that, and just let them sit. Don't stir them when you cover them with brown sugar. All right, my mom is making the dressing. Okay, show them how you make the dressing.
Okay, I'm starting off with some chicken. I trimmed a lot of the fat off around the chicken because we don't want to have a bunch of grease in our dressing. So I put in pieces of chicken, some thighs. I already put some seasoned spices in it. I'm gonna let you know what spices that I used. Okay, with the chicken I used black pepper. Sage, garlic powder, onion powder, seasoning salt. I'm also going to be adding to it some vegetables.
Lolly! Lolly, come here. Wanna try some celery? Look, she's already excited. Where are you taking it? You want some tea latte? I'm not gonna leave you out. I'm gonna give you a little bit because I know you're picky. Here, try this slice. Yummy? She ate it without hesitation. Hi! Today we are going to be decorating our Christmas tree. So we're going to have some help from our little cousin. Here she is right here. And we're going to just get started and have some hot cocoa and have some fun. Yay!
can't.